Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today, Jan is getting new wheels. He's getting Justin's wheels. It's been a while since we had Z content, so that's coming out right now. And Jan's finally getting his wheels. Jan's supposed to get some other wheels, but they're like pretty hard to find. And Justin's selling his car soon. So Justin is gonna sell these DSO ones to Jan. And these actually look really good, I'm not gonna lie. Like, when I saw Justin got these wheels, I was like, these are nice.
Has to worry about stretch.
Now Jan has to worry about the stretch life. At least I know Jan will check his tire pressure more than you. You didn't give a single fuck about your tire pressure.
Like every 2 weeks.
Damn, no more hitting super hard turns anymore. I mean, you could just full send. But.
Yeah, Jaydon was smart. WD-40s.
I know I'm smart. What am I? WD-40 plug. Ta-da.
So this is gonna be more secure. It makes it that the wheel isn't stressed out from the lug nuts, so you don't crack your lug nuts.
Should fit now, right?
Buy my car, 8,000 right now. Take it or leave it. Oh shit! This whole fender liner is about to fucking go for my car.
Let's see this.
Crazy, dude. My car wasn't even like that.
Woo!
He just needs like a 5mm spacer or something small.
Dude, your car sucks.
My car does suck.
What the fuck?
We're gonna take yours off first.
That looks nice. That looks nice.
My headlight.
What?
Fuck! Yes!
What'd you do?
Nah, you know, let me fucking electrical technician. I was going in there, fucking, this wire okay? Nah, oh, this shit's loose.
Here, let me pull a Hamid.
Dude, what happened?
It's so fucking dumb, bro.
Hey, Jeff.
What's your real name?
Slater. No sleeper seats, that's a mattress. No sleeper seats, that's a mattress. You ain't stingy, split your tablets with me. You don't flinch when camera flashing. Not fake laid back, no expansion. I think you made for the life I lead. I'm not fake patient, I don't fake sick. That kind of coffin don't need leave. Rest in peace, got this lust for life. Horny for the game. First they kiss, then they bite soft. Then that bitch wanna play it off. I'm pretty still in the pit of snakes with serpent shakes and brand new skills. I need a new face, I'm tired of these bills. Acting for millions, pull a rocket, turn it to pocket. Think of the Elvis, and the ungrateful. They don't say thank you, they don't say grace. I eat for meals, I eat for millions. I'm pretty still, look at my bill, Richard Mill, look at my disc, flooded with diamonds, look at my skills, running through blocks like 40 diamonds, flooding up diamonds, different places, I'm not fake patient, I don't fake sick. That kind of coffin don't need leave. Rest in peace, got this lust for life. Horny for the game.